The balcony railing, the first impression of the home. Rain, hail and shine, these railings tend to get, well, derailed.
There's a simple solution, all involving our trusty rust guard.
Let's get this balcony blossoming again.
It's so easy to paint with rust guard, just a few simple steps and your railing will look as good as new again.
First step is to clean. Take some sandpaper and a wire brush and Bob's your uncle.
Then we saturate a clean, dry cloth with this solvent and wipe over the surface to clean and degrease prior to painting. This will ensure my paint properly adheres to the surface.
Now it's time to prime using Rust Guard SLS Etch Primer. Stir, brush, wait. We've cleaned, we've primed, now the final easy step, the top coat using Rust Guard.
Today we've gone with a clean and fresh white to make it really pop against the brick. The perfect light and vibrant colour that is certainly on trend when it comes to balcony railings.
The primer and top coat are unique in that they combine the convenience of quick recoat times and water cleanup with outstanding rust protection, which ensures a long-lasting finish. The advanced enamel is also backed by an 8-year guarantee.
And just like that, 2 coats later and we're done.
And it really is that simple, and you won't have to do it again for another 8 years.